Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So let's start. Today we're going to see how to see hidden tagged posts on Instagram. Perhaps we have hidden some posts where we were tagged, and now I will show you how to go and view those posts. Open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the icon of your profile in the lower right corner. Then you have to open the three-line menu located in the upper right corner. Now you will have to tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the option that says Tags and Mentions. Here you will see all the posts in which you have been tagged. For example, if you tap Edit and choose to hide a particular post, in order to view the post you have been untagged, you will need to visit the user who tagged you. With all these steps I have been shown you, you will be able to see the post you have hidden. And that's all, folks. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. See you next time. Goodbye.